if I randomly pick a country out of the hat, the chance of a coup in any given year is maybe 1 in 100 or 2 in 100, depending on the year. And so if you're making a forecast, your starting position is, well, most likely nothing's going to happen. And so what these models add is that instead of just having kind of a naive base rate of, well, 1 or 2 countries per year have coups, so the probability that I start out with is 1 or 2. So what these models add is they give you a broader spread, and that spread is not very big. So you might go from it's basically 0 chance of a coup in Germany or in the UK to maybe saying that there's a 10% chance of a coup in some other country over the next year, which is still not very high, but you get a larger spread. And so if you're a human analyst now, you don't start out at 1% everywhere. You can sort of say that, okay, well, despite some concerning news, probably nothing's going to happen in the UK. Whereas if you're looking at this other country that had 10%, and you see some concerning news, then maybe you're more willing to kind of go out and say that, yeah, okay, maybe something's going to happen here next year. And so these models kind of, they're not an oracle, but they give you a better place to start out with as a person who can incorporate other information